now I have also conducted one Skype interaction, motivation, some clarification of doubts with the RD International School students, class 10 students, Erode, Tamil Nadu. Tell you about my Sunday maths test series and weekly test series initiatives, right? So my objective is to motivate and engage students in regular study and preparation for their annual exams, and I want to support give support to class 10th and 12th, so that because of that I'm conducting Sunday test regularly in offline mode at KV Gachibowli, and provide this service without taking any compensatory benefits from the administration. So I would like to support for economically disadvantaged students also, and my aim to help students who cannot afford costly sample paper books or question banks, right? So आजकल जितने भी सैम्पल पेपर बुक्स हैं एंड क्वेश्चन बैंक ऑल्सो इतनी कॉस्टली है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे खरीद नहीं पाते हैं. Many students they are not able to purchase. So through my platform website, so I am whatever I'm test conducting for my students offline mode, I'm uploading in my website blog also, and sharing with all students and teachers. Right now, coming to cost effective resources. Yes, provide chapter wise test series with answers, and it offers sample papers with answers through my website blog, right? So now let us see what are the benefits. So regular testing ensures continuous assessment and better understanding, and it offers equal opportunities for all students regardless of financial background, because as it is uploaded in website blog, anybody can use it. It is free access to everyone, all CBSE students. It enhances preparation and confidence for board exam. It's very important. And lastly, it encourages consistent study habits and reduces last minute stress. So these are the few benefits. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे benefits हैं. And my implementation is to conduct tests every Sunday covering different chapter wise systematically, right? So first I will start chapter wise test series. जैसे test series complete हो गया chapter wise, then move towards the sample paper test. Suppose in maths we have 14 chapters, so 14 Sunday एक chapter का test होगा. उसके बाद complete होने के बाद immediately sample paper test. So my target is to complete around 14 sample paper tests. Last year भी मैंने complete किया है. So make test materials and answers available on my website blog for easy access anytime, and it's a very good impact. Students, it improves students' performance and understanding of mathematical concepts, greater engagement and motivations among students, and significantly support for economically disadvantaged students, leveling the playing field. And my initiatives ensure that all students have the necessary resources and motivation to their studies, promoting a more inclusive and supportive educational environment. So these are my initiatives. एक तो बच्चा रेगुलर पढ़े, संडे का भी यूटिलाइज करें, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे संडे यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं. सो in order to make use of that Sunday also, so I am conducting this test. At least थोड़ा तो पढ़ेंगे. If suppose 100% of the day, if they study 10 to 15, 20% also minimum, so मैं success हो गया. So that was my initiative. So ये ऑफलाइन कंडक्ट करता हूँ. अब रही नेक्स्ट वीकली टेस्ट. वीकली टेस्ट मीन्स अदर देन संडे. So because I cannot conduct all the tests on one day, right, Sunday. So साइंस के लिए मैंने सेलेक्ट किया वेडनेसडे. So every Wednesday I used to conduct weekly test. Last year till limited to sample paper test. Now this year I'm starting chapter wise test also for 2024-25. Right? Same for social science also. Last year I conducted every Friday sample paper test, the 2023-24 batch, and before that also. But this year I am conducting chapter wise test, then followed sample paper test. Same for physics also, class 12th. Every Wednesday I conducted sample paper test last year. 2023-24. For this batch, I will conduct chapter-wise test series, then sample paper test. Right? So all the sample paper test and completely based and designed according to the latest CBSE curriculum. And my goal to provide regular practice to enhance the subject proficiency. So and whatever the test I am conducting, I'm sharing all the test papers and sample papers on my website blog, and I'm very proud that these test papers are using by many different part of the country as well as outside also, because my blog already reached 180 countries. So resources available to students and teachers worldwide, reaching 180 countries, and it is very easy of use, accessible, beneficial for all CBSE students and educators globally, and it's a very good impact that students' engagement will increase and increase discipline and consistent study habit. Because एक शेड्यूल बना रहेगा कि अरे नेक्स्ट संडे, नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे, नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे हमें जो टेस्ट देना है. So it increased study habits of the student, and because of this, better grasp of subject through regular and structured testing, and it improved readiness for final exams, leading to better academic performance. And my blog is utilized by students and teachers in all 180 countries, because it already reached 180 countries, but today I checked it is 181 actually. And I'm very proud of the impact and support provided to a diverse student body, positive feedback and active participations from a global education community. So continuous educational impact is continuous effort to aid students in achieving academic excellence, and my commitment will not decrease, and dedicated to providing quality and educational resources and support. And in future, as I already told, social science, science and physics, I'm conducting chapter-wise tests, so I will continue expanding and refining resources to benefit more students and educators worldwide. So these are my achievements. I mean to say, these are my contributions for the society, for the students and teachers, in particular students, through my Sunday and Sunday maths test papers. So these are my few initiatives to engage all the students globally. Now I'm going to show you the pictures of some clips of the Sunday SAM test series, whatever I'm conducting on Sunday in school. Right? Please watch these clips of Sunday test. Today I'm going to discuss about my social service through my website blog and also through YouTube channel. Let us start with my website blog. So I will explain how I started my blog and YouTube channel, right? So let us start with website blog. In KV Dhoni Malai, I started preparing practice questions as well as MCQ worksheet sets for all classes 6 to 10, for which my principal and chairman appreciated my work. So later in 2011, I started preparing maths question banks for all classes 6 to 10 and sample papers for SA1, SA2. उस समय SA1, SA2 हुआ करता था. At that time SA1, SA2 was there, so that the students can practice and develop their study habit. So I learned from this that the students develop their interest automatically if their own teacher prepares study material for them. And in the session 12-13, I started preparing physics reference material for class 9, 10, 10 along with revised maths question bank for all classes 6 to 10. And I started circulating to all the KVS regional office through mail, and I have received an appreciation letter also from the then DC Deputy Commissioner KVS RO Bangalore on Teachers Day 2013. So this is the screenshot of the appreciation letter received on Teachers Day 2013. Right. Now coming to when I transferred to KV Dhoni Malai. So in KV Dhoni Malai, I felt that there should be one platform, that LTSM, Learning and Teaching Study Materials in Mathematics. From there the students can access multiple number of questions to practice. And I started preparing then my study material website blog since 1st April 2015, www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com as my innovative practices LTSM, that is Learning and Teaching Study Material in Mathematics, to provide all my study material which is free access to everyone. And my blog site, website blog platforms are first question maths. It contains question banks of maths for all classes 6 to 10th, and study materials of primary classes for all subjects 1 to 5. And actually I have uploaded all the study worksheets and practice papers of my children, जो मैंने अपने बच्चों के लिए बनाया था क्लास 1 to 5th के लिए. Whatever I prepared for my children, I uploaded under primary classes 1 to 5. And reference study material of science for class 6 to 10, and sample paper test papers of all exams for all classes every year, not only for limited to 1 year 2021 like 21, 22. So just last year 2023-24, now this year I will publish sample papers for 2024-25 board exams, especially board classes 10th and 12th. And next online practice test papers for class 10 to 12th, which is in the form of Google form, and the students can attempt the test and can immediately see their scoring marks. Sample paper test of maths, especially class 10th and 12th for board exam 2021, even for 22, 23, 24, and now I will publish for 25. RoboCompass resources also I prepared and uploaded under that page for class 9th and 10th, even for class 6th also it is there. GeoGebra resources also I prepared and uploaded under that page, and it is useful for class 9th and 10th. Case study questions, mathematics and science case study questions I have prepared and uploaded in the form of video link and PDF for class 9th and 10th, both maths and science. Now coming to maths, class 9th and 10th, assertion and reasoning based questions are there, competency based questions, under competency based questions. Maths MCQ question bank of class 6 to 10th, and my all YouTube video lessons of class 6th also there, 9th and 10th. Chapter wise links I have provided so that student can easily see all the links of all the chapters. So these are a different platform of my website blog. Now I will show you the first page of website blog. All links are on one page. सारे लिंक एक ही पेज में है, so anybody can access any part if they want to do. For example, science, social science link is there, this one, and science class 10th link is there, maths chapter wise videos, like for every category I have given link here, right? So I have prepared math sample paper for class 6 to 10th for all exams to remove exam stress and fear, and to improve self-confidence and time management. I have prepared more than 800 e-content study materials of maths and science and uploaded in my website blog during last 9 years. This is 9 years for all the students community across the world. I have also uploaded primary class worksheets from class 1 to 5 for all subjects in English, Hindi, EVS and mathematics. Just now I told that whatever study materials I prepared for my own children, I made them available on this particular platform. My study materials for classes 1 to 12th, sample papers for all the classes, and minimum level learning study materials for class 10th and 12th are being used by most of the students and teachers in our country, and also by other nations and different continents. And students and teachers from 180 countries are utilizing my blog, and this is proud moment for me that being an Indian and KV teacher, that my blog reached 180 countries. Now I would like to show you all the country-wise views online. This is the first page of my blog, right? And these are all comments I have received. This is the stats for all time. So you can see in India it crossed 2 crore views, 2 crore 67 lakhs 24,184, and like this, all these are the views of the country, and total 181 countries are there. Today morning I have gone through. It's not 181 countries reached. So these are the links of all the classes 1 to 12th. And now coming to my YouTube channel. Now on the request of many children, including my students who are using my website blog, I started preparing my video lesson, and I was sharing the video lessons to WhatsApp to my children, which was boon to my students for doing revision. Now in order to share the video lessons with other students, I have prepared my YouTube channel named Kumar Online Channel, in which I have uploaded more than 600 video lessons for class 9th and 10th students, including all chapter-wise video lessons and revision series. And many students and teachers are using my video lessons from different regions of India and in 34 countries. The link of my YouTube channel is this one, and this is the first page, analytic page of my YouTube channel. So total 42 lakhs 10,000 views are there, and more than 25,960 subscribers as on today's date, that is 14th July 2024. And these are the views of 35 countries. ये जो screenshot है पुराना वाला है, right? It is 14th September 2022, right? Now coming to the resources which I have uploaded in like RoboCompass resources, GeoGebra. These are the impacts. These are the impact that many students are using. RoboCompass resources till date more than 10,39,000 views are there. And coming to GeoGebra resources, more than 9,20,000 views are there as on today's date. And online practice papers for class 10 to 9 to 12 which I prepared, more than 12 lakhs 7,955 views, total views are there. So it shows that many students are using from all over India as well as from foreign outside countries also. And these are case study questions which I have prepared, that is competency based questions. And for maths 9th and 10th, and for science 9th and 10th, the total views are, it is shown here. 9th का जैसे 7,85,000 है, maths class 10th का 6,42,000, science 3,24,000, and 9th class 2,68,000. These are the links of all the YouTube channel, YouTube links, videos, along with PDF I have uploaded in this page. Right. Now coming to minimum level study material, क्योंकि जो बच्चे जो weak students हैं वो पूरा नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं, right? तो उनके लिए एक strategy, एक limited syllabus वाला एक content, that is minimum level learning study material, so that they can score at least 50% marks. So for that I was preparing for maths class 10th and 12th, physics 12th and maths 12th, maths and physics class 12th, and for science and social science of class 10th also prepared. I was preparing since last 2-3 years, right? So all those links are in this web page, only one web page, and the views are more than 8,51,000.
नमस्कार। कुमार स्वामी सर के लिए आज मैं ये 2 शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ। कुमार स्वामी सर की जो एनर्जी है, उस लेवल की एनर्जी पे कोई टीचर काम नहीं कर सकता इस समय में। सर एकदम निस्वार्थ होके बच्चों के लिए जिस तरीके से हर रविवार परीक्षा कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं, और पूरे भारत ही नहीं पूरे विश्व के बच्चों के लिए सैम्पल पेपर, वो भी इस फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट विथ आंसर की, टाइम टू टाइम, संडे टू संडे, चैप्टर वाइज रिवीजन टेस्ट। जहाँ इतने महंगाई का ज़माना है और प्राइवेट पब्लिकेशन के अंदर में 500 हज़ार रुपए की सैम्पल पेपर्स की किताबें बिक रही है, वहाँ कुमार स्वामी सर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हर साल एक CBSE के नए पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए जिस तरीके से वो पब्लिश करते हैं और मेहनत करते हैं, बच्चों को तो फ़ायदा हो ही रहा है, लेकिन टीचर्स को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो रहा है। दूसरे स्कूलों में भी टीचर्स अपना कुमार स्वामी सर के पेपर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, और दूसरे टीचर्स का रिज़ल्ट भी जो इम्प्रूव हो रहा है वो सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ कुमार स्वामी सर की वजह से ही है। मैं वापस से कुमार स्वामी सर को अपने दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, और बार बार यही कहना चाहता हूं कि सर आप जिस तरीके से भारत के बच्चों के लिए, केंद्रीय विद्यालय में सभी बच्चों के लिए, इवन दो प्राइवेट बच्चों के लिए भी जिस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं, और वो भी निस्वार्थ भाव से, आप सही में महान हैं और इसी तरीके से काम करते रहिए सर। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, this is Rekha Chabra, PGT Mathematics from JP Public School, Noida. Today I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Kumar sir for his outstanding contribution to education community. He has been consistently creating a lot of quality content which has been a game changer for many students. His sample papers not only help students to improve their performance, but they really enjoy solving these papers. They really enjoy especially the case studies that he provides in the papers. And I believe the great educators always deserve a recognition. So on behalf of my students and myself, a big thank you to Kumar sir for all his great deeds. We are truly grateful, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mr. Hiren M. Shah, TGT Maths, Army Public School, Bhuj, Kutch, Gujarat. Today I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to dear Kumar sir for his outstanding contribution to education community, especially for maths. Since last 3 years, during especially Corona phase, Kumar sir's papers, material, small chapter-wise test paper help a lot to the students. For sir's outstanding contribution, I would like thanks dear sir. He has been constantly created lot of quality content. Sir's sample papers not only help students to improve their performance, they also really enjoying solving papers and especially case study question too. Sir is a great human being, singer, mentor and best teacher. On behalf of myself, my student and my school, a big thanks to dear Kumar sir for his great efforts. We are truly grateful to dear Kumar sir. Best wishes to sir, to his bright future ahead. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. My name is Rajesh and I am from Olive International School, Doha, Qatar. I am mathematics PGT here. I would congratulate Mr. Kumar Swami sir for his valuable contribution for preparing question papers for the students who are appearing for the board examinations. This worksheet and question papers are very useful for our students, and we will practicing this question paper in our school on regular basis, and also it's very useful for all the grades of students. And thank you Mr. Kumar Swami sir for your valuable contributions. Keep going on sir. Thank you sir. Thank you so much.
सुप्रभात, मैं सुनील प्रसाद राय, गणित स्नातक शिक्षक, पीएम श्री केंद्रीय विद्यालय चितरंजन से कुमार सर के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। कुमार सर के द्वारा भेजा जाने वाला लगभग सभी विषयों पर स्टडी मटेरियल्स एंड सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर स्टूडेंट्स के साथ साथ सभी शिक्षक साथी के लिए भी लाभकारी है। मेरे पास उनके इस समर्पण और परिश्रम की प्रशंसा के लिए कोई शब्द नहीं है। निस्संदेह सर की जितनी भी प्रशंसा की जाए उतना ही कम है। थैंक यू।
Hello, hi. I am Shubham Dahuja and I am a teacher, maths teacher in Dayavati Modi Academy, Meerut. And I would like to thank Kumar sir for their immense support in the field of education to our students. And their website is helping a lot to the students. It has a content which is out of the box, and the students are getting benefited a lot out of that. And I would like to show the gratitude for their generosity in providing the free study material to the students, and it's helping a lot to our students of the school and tuitions. And I'm glad to hear that website is helping our students, and I would like to show the gratitude towards them. Your support is instrumental in fostering the academic growth of our students. And thank you for your dedication to the education. And if you have any questions or assistance, you can ask her definitely. And your material is playing a crucial student success in a role in a success, and it will be definitely marking a positive impact on education. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Hello, I am Ruhi Arora. I am a science teacher in New Blooms Public School. I would like to thank Kumar sir for their study material. I am so grateful for your thoughtful and comprehensive study material. It has proven beneficial for the students in their understanding and success. Thank you for your dedication to education. In the last, I would like to request Kumar sir for keep making that type of study material, and so that the students keep rocking. Thank you.
Greeting to all students and teachers. I, Deepika, a math mentor, been teaching mathematics since 2009. Through this video, I would like to extend my gratitude to Mr. Kumar Swamy Sir, TGT Mathematics from KV, Gadchiroli, for his unbeatable work in the field of mathematics and science for CBSE class 6 till 12. In today's scenario where big edtech turned teaching spirits into profit-minded business, Kumar Sir is one among those who still kept alive the principle that don't have fame through your profession, instead bring the fame to your profession. Today, I proudly say that his study material not only helps students but also helps teachers to get updated with the latest curriculum. His priceless efforts can be seen in his study material, his class recording and latest test series for CBSE class 9th and 10th till 12th for maths and science, as per latest pattern. Not only this, even he put all his efforts to make his study material accessible to all students through his open resource platform named as kumarsir34.wordpress.com. Above all, without considering any monetary benefits. He strived harder and worked ethically without considering any name fame and any personal benefit. His motivating personality always inspires me a lot. Really want to thank Sir on behalf of students and teachers. All are using your impeccable study material directly or indirectly. Sir, please keep the spirit of hard work always there inside you. Thank you so much, sir, for helping entire teacher and student fraternity. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, this is Shantalakshmi. I would like to share my feedback about Kumar Sir's material. I am consistently using for many years together Kumar Sir's material pertaining to the minimum level of learning for each class, particularly for grade 9 and 10. The materials which has been given by him is really worth, and students make use of those materials effectively, and we could see the change in the approach of the students. Certainly those materials are aligned to the latest CBSE curriculum as well as the suggestions laid by the CBSE. We found those materials are extremely useful, and students love to do those sums and they get motivated with every chapter. The lessons chapter by chapter test has been conducted for months together, and students take up this test very seriously, and they prepare for the board examination in a systematic manner. The sample papers which has been given by Sir routine, that is actually the routine method of sending the question paper, making the students to do it in a particular time and releasing the answer key in the particular time had helped a lot, and students really feel very supportive. Apart from school support and other tuition supports and other supports what they have, we are really thankful to you, sir. We are grateful to you and keep continuing this hard work. Thank you. All the best for your best efforts.
Namaste. I am Kiran, appointed as TGT Maths in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Otchipalam, Ernakulam region. कुमार सर से मैं पहली बार अपने इंडक्शन कोर्स में मिली थी केंद्रीय विद्यालय गच्चीबोली हैदराबाद में। जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ सर हमारे सेशंस ले रहे थे उन सब से मैं बहुत मोटिवेट हुई। That time I observed that sir's teaching is just like a spark that creates the desire to learn in all of us. इंडक्शन के बाद जब मैं अपने स्कूल में आई तो मैंने देखा कि मेरे सीनियर टीचर्स हैं वो बच्चों को कुछ सैम्पल पेपर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे और बच्चे उन सैम्पल पेपर से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे बिफोर बोर्ड एग्जाम। तो मैंने सीनियर टीचर से पूछा कि ये सैम्पल पेपर मैडम कहाँ से मिले, सर कहाँ से मिले? Then they told these are made by Kumar sir. After that I came to know about the YouTube videos, blogs and MRL of Kumar sir. I was really afraid when I was given 10th standard for first time. But all these materials were really helpful for me when I was taking the 10th standard for first time. Because of all these videos and blogs, I was able to give 100% result in 10th class. सर की वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स स्टूडेंट्स को ही हेल्प नहीं करते, दीज आर हेल्पिंग टीचर्स ऑल्सो. Sir is helping teachers that how to deliver a specific topic in class so that maximum output will be there. In this pandemic situation also, sir is every time ready to help us. And here I would like to share my personal experience. When I joined the KV, so I was facing the inspection for first time. I was afraid how to do, what to do. That time मैंने सर को कॉल किया, सर within 1 week inspection will be there in our school, so what to do. So सर ने बोला no need of getting tense, you just keep going as usual. और इतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होने के बावजूद भी सर ने मुझे कुछ PPT और लेसन प्लान मेल किए. आफ्टर दैट आई वॉज रियलाइज्ड. So sir is very helpful, very dedicated and very hard working teachers. Sir, you are example of wonderful teacher. We are learning from you. So in last I would like to say most valuable resource that all teachers have is each other. If we have a guide, a mentor, a motivator like Kumar sir, we can prove, we KV teachers can prove ourselves as a good teacher. Thank you so much sir. Thanks a lot for the help. I wish you all the very best for your bright future. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मैं दीनम गुवाहाटी संभाग के अंतर्गत टीजीटी मैथ्स के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ. मैं श्री कुमार स्वामी सर के बारे में इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि इस पेंडेमिक में सर ने अपनी यूट्यूब वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स के थ्रू स्टूडेंट्स को जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करवाया है वो काफ़ी सराहनीय है. सर जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ इस पेंडेमिक में अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम कर रहे हैं वो हम टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल है. उनका हार्डवर्क एंड डेडिकेशन हम टीचर्स को भी इतना मोटिवेट करता है कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इतना हार्डवर्क करें एंड उनके फ्यूचर के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम कर सकें. सर के जो ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एंड इवन टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहे हैं. अगर स्टूडेंट्स को कोई डाउट होता है तो वो उनके वीडियोस के थ्रू इजीली समझ सकते हैं, क्योंकि वीडियोस में इतना डिटेल्स में एंड आपको हर टॉपिक अच्छे से क्लियर करते हैं. एंड उनके जो ब्लॉग्स थे मैंने भी यूज़ किए हैं, जो उनका स्टडी मटेरियल था. तो मेरा जो CBSE में 100% रिजल्ट आया था मेरी क्लास का, सो उसमें सर के ब्लॉग्स के मटेरियल थे उनका भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. सो मैं कुमार स्वामी सर को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी कि सर आप हमारे लिए एक मोटिवेशन हैं, हम टीचर्स के लिए भी. एंड मैं विश करूँगी कि आप फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे ही अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम करते रहें एंड हम टीचर्स को मोटिवेट करते रहें, ताकि हम आप जितना तो नहीं बट हाँ आप जैसा डेडिकेशन एंड हार्डवर्क करना सीख जाएं अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और ज़्यादा हम उनके लिए हार्डवर्क कर सकें. सो उनके ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहे हैं. सो मैं फ्यूचर में उनके लिए सक्सेस की विश करती हूँ कि सर आगे भी ऐसे करते रहें एंड आपको हमेशा अपनी हर फील्ड में सक्सेस मिले और आप प्रोग्रेस करें. थैंक यू कुमार सर.